How to record shows on Superbox. In this video, I will show you how you can record shows on Superbox. So, to get started, go ahead and check your Superbox model. Superbox S4 Pro, S5 Max, X6 Elite Ultra has no built-in recording. And as for older models such as S3, S2, some include a native DVR function, so confirm your model in the settings and head over into the About device section. Now, if your model supports native recording, open the Superbox Live TV app and navigate to the channel or show you want to record. So press the record button on your remote. So you'll usually find a record option as well on your TV, and the recording will save to your device internal storage or connected USB drive. Now to access the recordings, you can go ahead and access it under your menu and the recording section. And if your model does not support native recording, since newer Superbox devices don't have built-in DVR, what you can do is to connect your Superbox HDMI output into a capture card plugged into your PC, and then use recording software such as OBS, EACUs, Recept- Receptors to save shows in 4K quality. So that is how you can basically record shows on Superbox.